This is an overview of the demonstration done by Machine Tending Solutions for Eastec 2023. Custom designed baffles installed on the Swiss machine's part conveyor will orient the part in one of two directions into the dead nest. Then a robotique wrist camera detects the orientation of the part. With the new position now determined, the robotique handy servo driven grippers with custom designed carbon fiber nylon fingers will pick up the part. The Universal Robot's UR5E collaborative robot then dips the part into cleaning solution and moves it into the MyJet unit to dry it and remove any debris. The robot will now move the part onto an orienter in preparation for its move to the inspection device so that it will have the correct orientation every time. It is then placed into a custom vise using a force torque sensor in the robot's wrist to ensure proper seating every time. Once it's clear from the part, the UR5E sends a signal to Caron Engineering's MyConnect software, which then communicates to the Fowler ZCAT portable DCC to begin the inspection process. Once completed, the ZCAT sends the part dimensions to Caron Engineering's AutoComp software, which will then feed offsets back to the CNC machine if any dimensions are out of tolerance. MyConnect will then send a signal to the UR5E to place the part in either the good parts tray or in a bad parts bin. The robot will then return to its home position and wait for the next part to drop into the dead nest from the CNC conveyor. This time you can see the part has dropped into the dead nest in a different orientation than before. The wrist camera will take a picture and determine which way the robot will pick up the part so that it is always gripping it at the same location. Once it's got the part, it's back to business as usual. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. To see more solutions we come up with, please click the subscribe button. It's free and it's easy. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Machine Tending Solutions is a certified systems integrator for Universal Robots focused on integration with CNC machines. We provide turnkey solutions for your lathe, mill turn, or Swiss machine, including a base for the robot, in-feed and out-feed options, integration with the machine, auto-door installation, and programming. If you are considering robot tending for your CNC machine, please contact us to learn more.